How y'all doing? It's Roger Services, and we got 2 tree removals, one already down. This is how it looks. The pecan tree, it died, and basically we just getting it down. We're on Willis, Texas. The same on next day service. Give us a call. We are safe and successful at getting big or small jobs done. No job is too big or small. We do free estimates. We're all over Houston, Texas, and part of outside of Houston. We do these projects all day, ladies and gentlemen. Also, you know, we doing the whole property. We going up about 10 feet in the air, basically just going around getting all the lower hanging branches, cleaning up everything, getting all the junk. We haul junk. We just basically do cleanups out here. Tree removals, landscaping, sod installation, lawn care and maintenance. We do it all, ladies and gentlemen.